Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Matt Hester, and today we're going to take a look at Solution 9 for Exercise 9 and how to turn off the display control panel inside of Group Policy. Now, this is not typically a command that I would recommend unless you have to modify, a whole bunch of group policies at the same time. And the main reason being is if you're just doing onesies and twosies inside a group policy, the Group Policy Editor is a fantastic tool. But if you have to modify a lot of different policies or modify a lot of different objects, once again, that's where PowerShell can help you. The reason I don't recommend this is because you are going to have to do some investigative work to make this command work properly. So let me actually get started and show you how this works. Now, once again, depending on where you are in your group policy in your PowerShell, you may have to import the module for group policy. So here's that command if you need to actually import it. I've already actually imported this command inside my environment. And then it's just a matter of creating the object. So first thing, create new GPO. No problem there. Here's where it gets fun with working with group policy inside of PowerShell. Set GP registry value. That's the command to actually set the value. And here's your investigative work. You have to know where inside your local registry or the registry of the systems this value is that you want to modify. And that's where you have to do some work. And then secondly, if I scroll over to the right of this command, I have to know the actual name of the display and what value I can set it to work with it. Now, how you find these settings and what values they are, really it's trial and error. You turn it on, see what the setting is inside the registry, turn it back off, do whatever you need to do to work with it. Now, what I think is funny is the no display control panel. To disable the control panel, you have to enable the group policy object, or the group policy setting, I should say. And then the last part of this is that notice I'm just going to simply create a link to the test group OU inside of my deploy.com domain. Now, the great thing about this is all done in one line. So the magic of pipelining and being able to work with PowerShell really once again comes to fruition. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this line and go ahead and run it. And it's going to go ahead and create that PowerShell and that group policy setting for me to work with. Tells me what the value is, gives me a little bit of output, the GUI ID for the group policy. So in this exercise, you saw quickly how to work with group policy via the PowerShell. Thank you for watching and have a great day.